Kumachielo ni Director General e kambi noero mar NMS Kenya manoero Major General Badi kanyakla kod team mare ochopo e rango gedo mar wang'apaya ma Kobil St Jude mabende yudore kar dak Mamukuru kwa Ruben South Vibur Nairobi kar kaindi e ke mar rango chenro mar gero wang'apaya ma kamanoero kuma bende osingo ne rowere mathoth ni ibiro chiwne gi tije mathoth kaluore kod gedo ma kamago eko kendo maindi kaka nowuoyo chenro noero.
It is not easy to tap and have illegal supply. Of course, eventually we would wish that every resident of Mukuru kwa Njenga have their own legal supply, and that is the journey that we are heading to. Already where we are in Mukuru kwa Ruben, because this place had already been installed with power, most of these houses still have the legal power in this area of Mukuru kwa Ruben. But at the Mukuru kwa Njenga area, we realized that most of them are illegal supply. That's why we are starting with. But eventually, all the power in Mukuru will be done in a way whereby every person has their own legal supply.
We had promised that we are going to rehabilitate all the informal sectors, that is the Mukurus, Kibra, Torokocho, Madares and others, so that we uplift the standards of all the residents of Nairobi.